Good day everyone. This is a business proposal entitled Cup O'Clock Cafe by none other than me, Soto Jimwell A. A business proposal presented to the Faculty of Electrical Engineering Department, Nueva Ecija, University of Science and Technology. Under the supervision of Engineer Marben D.V. Bartolome, REE, RME, our research instructor. April 2024. About the business. Tagline of the business: Smooth your day every day. Introduction. Cup O'Clock Cafe is a specialty coffee shop located in the heart of Sumakab Este, Cabanatuan City, Nueva Ecija, offering customers a unique and elevated coffee experience. Our target market is young professionals ages 19 to 25 years old and coffee connoisseurs who value convenience, comfortability, elegant atmosphere, and are looking for high-quality coffee. Cup O'Clock Cafe is to be found in Cabanatuan City area where several coffee shops are there too. However, none offer the same level of specialty drinks and baked goods that we will offer. Besides, Cup O'Clock Cafe is well positioned as it is by the side of the commercial highway right outside the Nueva Ecija University of Science and Technology. Furthermore, Cup O'Clock Cafe will maximize the strong presence of social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook to showcase our products, to connect with customers, and to offer online services. Cup O'Clock Cafe goal is to differentiate ourselves from other coffee shops in the area by offering a unique selection in our menu, which include a variety of specialty coffee drinks made with high quality, responsibly sourced beans, as well as curated selection of pastries and small bites made fresh daily using locally sourced ingredients. In addition to traditional espresso-based drinks, Cup O'Clock Cafe will offer nitro cold brew on top and a variety of flavored lattes made with natural syrups, differentiating ourselves from other coffee shops in the area. Our stylish and modern decor will provide a comfortable and inviting atmosphere for customers to work, study, relax, and socialize. Cup O'Clock Vision and Mission. Vision: to create an inviting atmosphere where every sip of our meticulously crafted brews ignites inspiration and fosters meaningful conversations. Mission: to awaken the senses with every pour, cultivating a haven where rich aroma of freshly brewed coffee intertwines with laughter and shared moments, igniting a passion for community and artistry. In line with commitment to excellence and sustainability, the following objectives have been defined. Prioritize delivering outstanding customer service and creating a welcoming atmosphere that encourages customers to linger, socialize, and return. To serve consistently high-quality coffee and offer other food items sourced from reputable suppliers and prepared by skilled baristas. Actively engage with the local community through events, promotions, and partnerships to become a central hub for social interaction and networking. Utilize technology to streamline operations, enhance the ordering process, and engage with customers through loyalty programs, online ordering, and social media platforms. Improve operational efficiency by reducing turnaround time for pickup and delivery services. Prioritize ongoing training and development for staff members to ensure they possess the necessary skills and knowledge to deliver exceptional service consistently. Core values: excellence, sustainability, customer centricity, innovation, integrity, community support, and constant growth. The location of the business. The proposed site for Kapoklak Cafe, a startup coffee shop, is strategically located at the side of the commercial highway right outside the Nueva Ecija University of Science and Technology campus, across from 7-Eleven convenience store in Barangay Sumakab Este, Cabanatuan City, Nueva Ecija. The area has a vibrant population of approximately 4,500 residents, and the presence of students, workers, employees, passerby, and travelers further enhances the customer base potential. This bustling location aligns perfectly with the coffee shop's target market, making it an ideal spot to establish Kapoklak Cafe. Competitors: Kuya Ram's Cafe, Mana Cafe, and Brews and Clouds are all offering a high-quality coffee drinks. However, as a competitors, ours must have a uniqueness besides offering a high-quality coffee drinks. To outshine those established competitors, we will offer unique selling like espresso-based drinks with cold brews on top and a variety of flavored lattes. Aside from that, we will prioritize customer experience by providing exceptional service, training staff to be friendly and knowledgeable, and offering loyalty programs. We will also create a welcoming atmosphere to encourage customers to linger. And lastly, in Kapoklak Cafe, we understand the bustling schedules of our customers. Therefore, we will offer online ordering, delivery, or drive-thru options to offer convenience. So, this is the methodology of the survey. So, recently we carried out a survey to gauge the sentiments and options of our community regarding local coffee shops. So, our local is the Sumakab, Cabanatuan City. Our respondents is Sumakab residents, and the instrument we will use is questionnaires and interview. So, ito yung ginamit naming questionnaires, and this is the interview. Results and discussion of the survey. Age distribution is between 19 to 24 years old, and the gender distribution have 29 males and 21 female. Under the age distribution, we have 19 years old with 12 counts, 20 years old has 5 counts, 21 years old has 14 counts, 22 years old has 8 counts, 23 years old has 6 counts, 24 years old has 5 counts, and the male as being the most counts with 29 counts, and the female at the least counts with 21 counts. Coffee habits. The first question is, how often do you purchase coffee in a week? Daily has 23 counts, 2 to 3 times a week has 12 counts, once a week has 8 counts, and rarely has 7 counts. Second question is, which coffee shop do you purchase from? Kuya Ram's Cafe has 24 counts, Mana Cafe has 10 counts, Brews and Clouds has 13 counts, and other who do their own coffee has 3 counts. The survey's emphasis on frequent coffee purchase and preferences for existing providers like Kuya Ram's Cafe, Mana Cafe, and Brews and Clouds signals an active market. Introducing Capo Clock Cafe can meet this demand by offering high-quality services and possibly unique flavors or unique features. It's vital to distinguish to show up amidst recognized competition, potentially by concentrating on greater service or specialized offerings that aligns with residents' preference for convenience and quality. Part 3 is the preference, convenience, and satisfaction. The first question here is, what do you consider when purchasing a coffee? Price has 12 counts. Flavors has 32 counts. Speed of service has 5 counts. Location has 8 counts. Quantity of option in the menu has 1 counts, and others is 0 counts. Second question is, are you satisfied with the quality that your preferred coffee shop currently provides? Very satisfied has 18 counts, satisfied has 28 counts, and dissatisfied is have 4 counts, while very dissatisfied has 0 counts. Next question is, would you prefer having a coffee shop like Capo Clock Cafe near your place of residence? Yes, definitely has 32 counts. Maybe, if convenient, has 16 counts. No, not necessary. Has 2 counts. Next question is, how likely are you to visit Capo Clock Cafe if it were located slightly farther from your usual route? Very likely has 21 counts, somewhat likely has 25 counts, and unlikely has 4 counts. The survey's insights from preference, convenience, and satisfaction emphasize flavors as pivotal in choosing a coffee shop, with convenience being equally vital, while respondents show a preference for nearby options, even if less likely to visit if slightly farther. Capo Clock Cafe's pick-up delivery system offering a convenient solution. This system aligns with residents' preferences, potentially bridging the distance barrier and emphasizing convenience, allowing Capo Clock Cafe to serve customers efficiently despite the location. This strategy could be pivotal in positioning the business favorably amidst convenience-driven choices. The fourth part is the perception and improvement. The question here is, what improvements would you like to see in a coffee shop? Green Solutions has 8 counts. Better customer service has 24 counts. Feedback mechanism has 7 counts. And additional services like free Wi-Fi or open mic nights has 11 counts. The survey indicates a strong interest in better customer service among respondents, additional services, and green solutions. Capo Clock Cafe can capitalize on this by centering on improving service quality and by adding services like free Wi-Fi and open mic nights. This aligns with respondents or residents' preferences, potentially setting the business apart and attracting customers who value quality and enhanced service.
Would like to improve. Siguro, minsan yung cleanliness, mas maganda kasi tingnan o mas magandang puntahan yung isang scene na malinis yung surroundings.
Do you have any observations or experiences in a coffee shop business that you would like to improve or suggest?
Base sa experience ko, yung maisasuggest ko lang sa business nyo ay yung better customer service. Tsaka, tutukan nyo yung quality of flavors na i-offer nyo.
If there were other coffee shop company such as Capo Clock Cafe. Would you like to try it? Why or why not?
Yes, I will try it. Kasi, nakikurious ako sa mga magagandang in-offer nyo. And dahil ako na mahilig kumanta, meron kayong open mic nights, paniguradong mag-e-enjoy ako dun.
The discussions on the interview emphasize convenience, quality of flavors, and service quality as pivotal in attracting and retaining customers. Capo Clock Cafe's success hinges on addressing these factors while introducing unique services to captivate both existing patrons and locals considering over a shift in their coffee preferences. By prioritizing convenience, flavors, and superior service coupled with innovative offerings, Capo Clock Cafe can significantly influence customers' decision and solidify its position in the market. And here is the proof or the documentation that we conducted the survey. This is the value proposition canvas of the Capo Clock Cafe. Under the customer segments is the customer jobs. Under the customer job is valued as a customer, enjoying a quality coffee and food experience, convenient and cozy location. Under naman ng gains is high quality coffee and food offerings, welcoming atmosphere, environmental peace, and loyalty discounts. And under naman ng pains is managing and training staff, maintaining consistency in quality and customer service, balancing cost and pricing, dealing with the unreliable suppliers. So ngayon naman, move tayo dito sa may value proposition. Under ng game creators is the unique and inviting atmosphere, variety of specialty drinks, excellent customer service, loyalty program, pick-up and delivery, and eco-friendly. Under naman ng pain relievers is the offering competitive pricing, partnering with reliable suppliers, and comprehensive training and support for staff. And under naman ng products and services is Capo Clock Cafe, daily baked pastries, specialty coffee drinks, and cozy and inviting interior. Now let's proceed to the business model canvas of our Capo Clock Cafe business. Under our key partners is the small-scale coffee farmers, local artisans and bakers, equipment manufacturers, sustainable coffee suppliers, and local coffee bean retailers. And other the key activities naman is ito yung mga ginagawa namin araw-araw, which include sourcing and preparing high-quality artisanal coffee and pastries, promoting and marketing the unique coffee experience, and providing excellent customer service. Under naman ng aming key resources o ito yung mga resources na ginagamit namin para magawa namin yung isang key activities. So under nito yung equipment for beverage preparations, coffee beans, diverse selection of high quality coffee drinks and pastries, staff to monitor day-to-day operations, cozy and inviting interior, and online delivering and delivery platforms. So under naman ng aming value proposition is the unique and inviting atmosphere for customers to relax, work, and enjoy their time. Then wide variety of high quality coffee drinks and pastries, take out and delivery services for convenience, and focus on creating unique and memorable customer experiences. Under naman ng aming customer relationships is engaging with customer through social media and online platforms, creating a welcoming and friendly atmosphere for customers, and lastly, offering a loyalty programs and discounts. Under naman ng aming channels is the physical storefront for in-person dining, social media for marketing and customer engagement, online ordering platforms for takeout and delivery services. And other naman ng aming customer segments is the coffee enthusiast and health-conscious individuals, college students, and office workers. Under naman ng aming cost structure ng business is yung products which costs 10,000 per month, the equipment which costs 175,000, the staff salaries and benefits per month is yung which costs 25,000, marketing and promotion which costs 2,000, lease or the maintenance is 5,000, the property acquisition which costs 500,000, the renovation and interior design which will be costing 250,000, licensing and permits of the business which costs 40,000, and technology implementation which will be costing 100,000. Ngayon naman dako tayo dito sa may revenue streams. So under the revenue streams, we have here the drinks and pastry sales, kung saan meron tong kita na 60,000 per month, loyalty program fees na kumikita to ng 200 pesos per month per subscriber, and branding and marketing partnerships which costs 10,000 per agreement, and takeout and delivery service fee 50 pesos per head. So now let's move on to the SWOT analysis of the Kapaw Clock coffee business. So first is the strengths of our business. Specialty coffee selection, offering a wide selection of specialty coffee drinks that will attract coffee lovers and connoisseurs. Snacks and pastries are also the strengths of our business, which providing light snacks such as muffins, croissants, and other pastries that will complement the coffee drinks. And the other strength is the convenient location. Being located in the convenient area, specifically near any USP, will attract a steady flow of customers. So now let's move to the weakness of our business. The first one is the highest overhead expenses. Employee salaries and equipment are some of the highest overhead experience associated with opening and operating a coffee shop. Also is the dependency on single product. Coffee is a primary product of the coffee shop. A loss of consumer interest in coffee may lead to decrease in revenue. Other weaknesses is the staffing issues. Finding and retaining qualified staff trained in the art of coffee making can be challenging, which potentially lead to a long wait times for customers. So now, move tayo dito sa opportunities ng aming business. First opportunities will be the coffee club membership. Creating a coffee club where members receive discounts and special offers that can create a loyal customer base and increase revenue. Other opportunities is the merchandise sales, offering customers the option to purchase coffee beans, t-shirts, branded mugs, and tumblers, which can provide an additional source of revenue. Another opportunities is the expanding the menu, offering a range of healthy options such as smoothies, juices, plant-based coffee alternative which can attract a wider range of customer segments. Now let's move on to the threats of our business. The first threat is the competitive market. Competing with established coffee chains might pose a challenge in gaining market share initially. Second threat is the seasonal variations. During the summer months, sales of hot coffee drinks might decrease, which can lead to reduction of revenue. And last threat is the economic changes. Unforeseen economic events such as recession or inflation can reduce consumer spending in luxury items such as coffee. So now let's move to the DMAIC of our business. Under the measure is the customer feedback on convenience and satisfaction, adoption rate of the coffee shop's app, efficiency improvements in coffee processing time with IoT machines, environmental impact assessment, time spent by customer in open mic nights. And under the analysis, meron tayo ditong root causes kung saan ito yung mga dapat iwasan ng aming business para hindi siya para mas mag-increase yung revenue niya. Una dyan is yung inconvenient pick-up and delivery system, absence of an efficient app for scheduling and payment, non-optimized use of IoT for eco-friendly practices, lack of customer conveniences, and discomfort during waiting times. So, ang impact analysis namin dyan is inefficient workflow affects speed and quality, inconvenient services lead to customer dissatisfaction, uncomfortable waiting area affects customer satisfaction, and the absence of conveniences reduces customer experience. And our improve or the solution we will be going to apply is develop and launch an intuitive app for scheduling and tracking orders, payments, and enhance pickup delivery scheduling options. Also creating a welcoming atmosphere that encourages customer to linger, socialize, and return. And last is the to train staff members to ensure they possesses the necessary skills and knowledge to deliver exceptional service consistently. And under naman ng aming control is the update scheduling options for pick-up delivery, launch the coffee shop's app with user training and support, creating signage or information materials about the open mic nights, then train staff to introduce and guide customer to open mic nights. And to monitor is regularly track and customer feedback, track app adoption rates and user feedback, monitor resources usage and efficiency gains with IoT machines, conduct environmental impact assessment periodically, monitor the usage and popularity of the open mic nights area, and lastly, regularly assess the impact of the open mic night area on customer satisfaction. So now, let's move to the Kapoclock Cafe's technological advancement. The first thing that we will be going to integrate is the mobile ordering apps, which develop a user-friendly app for customers to place order ahead of time for pickup. This reduces wait times and allows for more efficient order processing. The second is the Kapoclock Cafe will invest in smart coffee machines. These advanced coffee brewing machines equipped with IoT technology and touchscreen interfaces offer precise control over brewing parameters, automated cleaning cycles, and remote monitoring capabilities. And the last technological advancement is the energy efficient HVAC system. The energy efficient HVAC systems such as those with programmable thermostat, variable speed fans, and zoning capabilities can help regulate indoor temperatures more efficiently and reduce energy waste. Kapo Clock Cafe would like to express our gratitude for your time in listening and reviewing this business proposal. If there are specific where you feel improvements can be made, we are open to suggestions and would appreciate any feedback you may have on this proposal. Your insights will be valuable as we move forward. Again, have a good day.